Hey Saint, this is episode 2 of How to Be Happier in Christ. I've got my tea. Let's do this. Today's topic is change your brain. I've got 2 strategies and a pro tip for you. Romans 12:2 says, "Do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind." We are primarily conformed to this world through the power of media. Francis Frangipane said, "There's the same number of demons, but way more people today, but demons use the power of media to expand their influence." Thankfully, that's true on the good side as well. To be happier, though, you need to reduce the amount of negative media you take in. I personally don't watch the news. If I need to find out about something, I go to stream.org or listen to Michael Brown's podcast. But I don't ever, almost never, listen to the daily news because it's almost all bad news. On the flip side, increase your intake of positive media. My go-to are worship videos on YouTube. Check out the card above, you'll see my playlist, and the Daily Audio Bible. I'll put a link to the Daily Audio Bible and other things mentioned in this video in the description. Bottom line, ask the Lord, what media do you want me to turn down? What media do you want me to turn up? He will tell you and you will be happier as a result. Pro tip, check out VidAngel. It's an awesome service that lets you filter Netflix and Amazon content. Check out my review. Episode 3 is Move Your Body. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon, and I'll see you next time.